So here we are on another of my joyride segments, and this would be one of my favorite flyovers in Mumbai, which is the Chunna Bhatti BKC flyover. Um, it connects Eastern Express Highway, which I am on currently, with Bandra Kurla complex, and it starts by you passing over the Methi River, which you see here, the little water body, and making my way towards BKC. Now, this have been inaugurated pretty recently in 2019 actually, and it made a huge difference to motorists who had to take the long route through Sion to reach Bandra or to reach the Western Express Highway. So this was a godsend in a way, and why I like riding it is because of the lovely descent into BKC and the great roads, considering that it is built very recently. So this is where it begins, and where I get off the saddle and climb all my way to the top. This tends to be a little controversial flyover to ride across, especially on a cycle, because there are huge signboards just before it telling us or the motorists that two-wheelers are not allowed. They had done that for safety reasons, because you can see the walls on the left, which are pretty low, and they had a concern from a safety perspective. But I tend to, and I see close to around 500 cyclists on Strava, tend to ignore that, considering that it is also the best way, to get from the Eastern Express Highway to or towards the Western Express Highway. So most of us do ride across, and the cops don't make it too difficult for us as well. So that tends to help. So as soon as you reach the top, the only thing that I'm really trying to do is to catch my breath, keep my cadence at around 72 revolutions per minute, and my speed around 27 to 28 kilometers per hour. But what we are at the moment is also passing some famous landmarks around. One is the KJ Somaya ground, which is to the right, as well as the Chunna Bhatti railway station, which is up ahead on the right hand side. But obviously, considering that we are on the flyover, it's not something that you would be able to see. So this is where it tends to get a slight positive gradient in the road, and is when I mostly get off my saddle just for that sprint that I could for around 100 to 150 meters to ensure that I do not lose on my momentum. So as you realized, I've already moved up to upwards of 34 to 35 kilometers per hour, and that is just what I needed to prepare for my descent into the Bandra Kurla complex. Yeah, so here somewhere around this area is where we are also passing over the Methi River, and you can see those buildings in the distance, which makes up for the Bandra Kurla complex. So this gets me into the home stretch and also my favorite segment, which is this negative gradient that descends into the Bandra Kurla complex. As you've realized, I've already picked up good speed, moving pretty fast at 36 kilometers per hour and with the cadence of 81. What I also like to do generally is to move towards the right, which I couldn't on this occasion because of the traffic, but that helps to navigate the sharp left that comes at the end. What I also realized at this particular time was that there were traffic cops who were stopping cars, and I was just hoping to slip by unnoticed, which you will get to realize shortly that I didn't manage to be as inconspicuous as I hoped to be. You can see some of them even gesturing in my direction. Sorry. But yeah, apart from the definitely well-intended apology, I make my way towards the Western Express Highway. Okay, so that made up the segment that I'm talking about here, which is the Chunna Bhatti BKC flyover. I think I'm close to around 38 to 39 out of 570 riders who navigated this section all time. and at a decent speed of around 31 kilometers per hour. So there's a lot of improvement. I kind of feel this was my personal record, by the way, but I kind of felt I could have done much better, especially towards the end when I had to hold back. So I hope you enjoyed this little segment that I wanted to share with all of y'all, and there will definitely be a lot more like this in the future. Until then, take care. Bye.